So what is evaporative cooling? Evaporative cooling is a much more cost-effective and energy-efficient way to cool large spaces than traditional HVAC. Think large warehouses and body shops where it doesn't make sense to install large HVAC units. But you're probably a lot more familiar with evaporative cooling technology than you think. If you think about when your body produces sweat, that sweat rises to the surface of your skin. As it evaporates, it absorbs the heat, lowering your body temperature. It's very similar to what happens inside this fan. An evaporative cooling fan contains a water reservoir. That water is pumped to the top of the unit, and that water trickles through the evaporative cooling media. These pads are made to saturate and hold that water so that when hot, dry air is sucked through the back of the fan, as the water evaporates, it pulls the hot air with it, leaving cooler air blowing out the exhaust side of the fan. These fans are self-contained, meaning instead of HVAC where it's just plumbed in place, you can move these units to where the cooling is needed most.